Welcome to Antarctica, one of the coldest and emptiest places on Earth. There are no permanent residents here, but there are plenty of penguins and sea life along the coast. A giant ice sheet covers 98% of the continent and is the largest single mass of ice on our planet. The views are magnificent. For miles, you can see ice shelves and beautiful mountain ranges. The climate is unforgiving, though. The average high at the South Pole is 57 degrees below zero. Only a small number of people dare to endure these conditions, and more than a few are Ohioans, who are here to take advantage of the awe-inspiring landscape the continent provides for scientific research and adventure.
Without knowing the big picture.
And that big picture means looking at how changes here impact everyone on the globe. Research thousands of miles away, and ultimately the answers that follow could change our habits here at home in Ohio.
There are close teleconnections and interrelationships between the changes that are going on in Ohio and what's going on around the world. So we're trying to understand how they're all connected and how they relate on a larger scale to the planet as a whole.
But it all has to start somewhere, and that place, with university professors in the lab and eager assistants in the field, is Antarctica. The research doesn't stop on the ice. Later, we'll go inside the Bird Polar Research Center on the Ohio State University campus to learn their role in investigating cooler climates. Plus,
all the aircraft that fly from McMurdo, my folks have full hands-on from the moment it hits the ground to the moment that it leaves the station.
Men and women behind the scenes meet the Ohioans who oversee everything here, both in the air and on the runway. And we're cooking it up in Antarctica, what it takes to feed more than 1,000 people in the middle of nowhere. But first, ST Knopf from Twitter asks, who was McMurdo Station named after? McMurdo Station is named for the McMurdo Sound in the Ross Sea. That was named for Lieutenant Archibald McMurdo of the HMS Terror. That boat charted the area in 1841 under command of British explorer James Clark Ross.